Welcome to Amy Learns to Cook. I got word the other day that a Macy's is going out of business. So I have a gift card left over from Christmas, and I thought I would come down here and see if I can get any bargains. So let's go on a tour of a Macy's that's closing down to see if we can score a good deal. Got some tables for sale. Have a lot of store fixtures in here for sale. This is not exactly what I'm looking for. So let's go upstairs.
But well, that's $35.
$10 for a foot?
$10 for a foot.
I don't know what I would do with it.
I don't know. Is this doorstop?
Look at that, Bill. Horse head.
What do we need a horse head for?
Bill, look at that.
What?
A Macy chef with no arms.
Yeah, but they cut his hands off.
Where are the arms to it? That is kind of creepy. It's a robot.
I will kill you.
Look at this, Bill.
What?
I could cart my all over the house.
Yeah, this wouldn't be cheap.
$125.
How much they want? $120? That's probably a okay price. I wonder if they put on sale though.
10% off.
I don't know.
Fixtures is 20% off.
Yeah, but is this considered table and office furniture? It's a damn car.
I like this with the cupcake cover. It says $49. So that means it would be 30% off.
That'd be $35.
Oh. Plus it's another 10. I can tell you, they took all the out of here.
This is a covered oval. That's kind of pretty, but it's a Martha Stewart, so God only knows.
This is a Henkel's.
Ankles?
Yeah.
Makes pants?
Yeah. There's no price on it. Ceramic. What's that? Oh, a 12-inch everyday pan. $1. Ooh, I like these. $8.
Big, all right. So there's the lid, right? It's got a little chair he's sitting in. That's kind of weird. All that packaging just for this? I don't know.
It's cute. I don't know what the price is. Santa salt and pepper shakers.
Get this, a cart, and a couple of mannequins for $100 maybe.
Oh gosh, no, I don't want any mannequins.
When I think about the way we used to be, when I think about the things you took from me, I know that I am so much better. When I look at what I've done now that we're apart, when I look at what I've won, I've come so far.
$12.93?
I know I'm so much better.
Obviously not all
So
set.
baby, you don't belong. I could feel it in my bones. There was something going on, that shade of doubt hanging around.
Sweet. I like that. How much is it? $11. This is a good deal. It's a Thirsty Stone, which are pretty expensive. Platter, really cute, pink. Was $67. It's marked down to $23, and then I don't know.
We might get more money on that.
Yeah.
At least 10%.
I'm gonna see what this is gonna come out to. Ooh, here's a good grips.
Here's a what?
We already have one of
I already
these.
have one of those.
Looks like it.
3 discs for fine, medium, and coarse settings.
Yeah, it's probably not too good. 87. KitchenAid mixers. So what do you get? 30% off the lower ticketed price plus an additional 10?
Yeah. So they got listed at $474.
Which is not.
Which is crazy.
So basically you're paying regular price
So
for
you
it.
can take 125 off. So that knocks it down to $350. They didn't take another 35 off.
You could get a new one in a box for less than that.
This is only worth like what, $250 maybe?
Yeah. There's no way I would ever pay that for that.
Maybe because it's a display model.
I've never seen an Artisan originally priced at $474 in my life.
Well, it says right there, you pay $332 after all discounts taken.
$332
so that's
is
the lowest
more.
they're coming.
$332. You can get these cheaper than that at a regular store. That's a ripoff. It's the reason they have so many sitting here.
The price is crazy. Oh, is this the classic plus?
We got some cutlery. Oh, there's where the pots and pans are. They moved them. Yay!
99 reduced to 69
$69 is over
after
here.
your 30% off.
$69 for one of those. So these are how these things work, people. I just looked it up, and at Kohl's, this Black & Decker Crisp and Bake is currently on sale for $63.99. These people have jacked the price up, and then they take 30% off. It's a total rip. So this is a bunt pan by Martha Stewart. I've seen this all the time. They sell it under the Nordic Ware brand because it's basically theirs. What I find interesting is they've replaced the price tag with this ECP or something, which is probably the liquidator, and they've marked it $56. This right here you can get on Amazon for about $25. So by the time they put all their discounts on it, you're paying more than you would at a regular store.
They didn't do the lowest ticket prices and then on sale. They marked the ticket prices up. I mean, Belgique is okay for the camper. It's kind of heavy, baby.
Yeah, it's pretty good for the camper.
He doesn't. I don't really see a disc bottom on it. Well, might be because the glass is heavy. Yeah, the glass looks heavy.
I've never in my life seen a Belgique Try-Me piece for $100. That's just ridiculous. This is a complete ripoff.
Here, let me pop the stand.
Well, look at
The
this.
16 quart.
They want 11-piece set. They're saying it's regularly $2.99. So this right here, this set, 11-piece, it's currently on sale for $119 at the store. And they claim it's $2.99 with all these discounts. You paid $2.09, so you're paying $100 more at this store closing closeout than you do at their regular store. That's Thirsty Stone, and it's $75. I think that means it's 50% off.
I'm sure it's beat up, but it looks pretty.
Yeah, how much?
Let's say 300. How close am I?
276.
I was close.
Those are pretty. Ooh. So it's half off.
Is it worth $15?
Not really. Ooh, here's one of those platters, but it's white.
Huh?
$67. It's half off.
Eat more chicken.
Cow.
Eat more cow. Chicken.
Who needs 3 cows?
How much is in?
I don't know. Is there a price?
No.
No?
Ooh, I like this. It's like a little cake stand. Ooh, I like that. It's 50% off, so how much do you think it is? 100. $65. I like this set. It's 200. I like it.
Ice bucket.
These are on sale all the time. Oh my God, they want $49. You can get these, this Charter Club, you can get this stuff on sale for like $9 a plate. Oy,
346?
this does
Are they
not
high?
go for no 346 ever.
Well,
$1.99 I think is
the thing I
about.
don't like is, I think this is slate,
Yeah.
which is really brittle. You gotta be careful.
This you can get at the store on sale for like $1.99. Oh, this is nice.
What's funny is a lot of people got their cell phones out because they're probably doing the same thing we are. They're price checking.
Yeah. So guys, like I said,
Oh, boo-boo.
this has been a
That
bust.
chair next to you, right here,
Yeah.
$579 original price, 60% off. It came down to $347, $229. It's at $231 right now.
Number one, there's absolutely no way that this chair was $500 beforehand.
By itself,
So cooks, we are walking out of here busted. I think Eric's gonna get his little pan there, and I have 2 napkins. What's interesting is I almost bought that little platter. It's a thirsty something. I really like it. $67, and then it's 50% off. But I just looked online, and it's currently on sale for $19. So I'm gonna order it online and have it shipped to the house. So, lesson learned on the Macy's store closing clearance sale. So guys, when you see a big sale going on, like a store closing or a liquidation, you really still have to watch your prices, because you may be paying more than what you would at their regular store or generally at retail. I saw this here today and I was totally shocked. These prices were more than prices were at the Macy's down the street at their regular store. So just know your prices before you go into one of these things, and take your phone so you can search on the internet to see if you're really getting a good deal. I hope you're having a great Wednesday. I hope that you enjoyed this shopping trip, and thanks for joining me.